Let's break down best time of year to pour a concrete driveway. Here's what you need to know. Spring and fall offer ideal conditions for concrete driveway installation in NC. Learn why temperature, moisture, and curing time matter for durability. Quick answer: spring, April, May, and fall, September, October, are ideal for pouring concrete driveways in North Carolina. Temperatures between 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity of 50 to 70% create optimal curing conditions, reducing cracking and curing delays. Plan 28 days minimum for full strength. Timing matters when pouring a concrete driveway. Choose the wrong season, and you risk crazing, scaling, spalling, and premature failure, costly problems that reduce the lifespan of a 20 to 30-year investment. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We've completed hundreds of driveways in every season and climate zone across NC, and we've learned that the calendar matters as much as the mix design. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. You pay nothing until the work is complete, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post explains why timing affects concrete durability, which seasons work best in your region, and how to prepare your project for success. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company operating since 2009 with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman area. The company specializes in residential and commercial concrete projects, from driveways to patios and decorative finishes. Concrete curing depends heavily on temperature and humidity, factors that vary significantly across North Carolina's seasons. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A typical driveway installation in NC costs $3,000 to $8,000 depending on size and finish. Pouring during optimal weather windows, spring, April, May, and fall, September, October, reduces curing delays and ensures a stronger, longer-lasting surface. Moving on to why timing matters for concrete durability. Concrete is not instantly hard. The moment a concrete truck pours its load onto your subgrade, hydration begins, a chemical reaction between Portland cement, water, and aggregate that builds strength over time. That reaction is temperature dependent. Pour concrete in the wrong conditions, and you get crazing, fine surface cracks, scaling, surface spalling and disintegration, efflorescence, white chalky deposits, or even complete failure in freeze-thaw cycles. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, concrete reaches approximately 50% of its design strength in 7 days and 90% in 28 days under ideal conditions. Ideal conditions means temperatures between 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and relative humidity of 50 to 100%. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.